Hello student, myself Melis Nakla, and today we solve the another example of fixed beam. In previous session we solved the one example of eccentric point load, and today we solve another example of fixed beam. Okay, now first of all, solve this example we have to read the given data properly, because which method is given, it is important in fixed beam. Determine the fix and moment for fixed beam loaded as shown in figure. Take EI constant. Also draw the SF and BM diagram. Okay, here we find out fix and moment and also draw the SF and BM diagram. But guys, here no method are mentioned, so that we solve this example by equation. If in analysis of fixed beam method is not mentioned like moment area, Maclaurin, then at that time we directly apply the equation of fix and moment for analysis of fixed beam. Here 2 point load are given, first is 10 and second is 15. Okay, now to find out fix and moment for given fixed beam, here we use eccentric point load equation. Now first of all we find out fix and moment. Okay, right here first fix and moment MA is equal to, here I draw two figures separately. In that, with respect to this we find out. Okay, this is our first. In first case, here loading is given 10 kilonewton. I separate this two loading, this 2 meter, and at that time the remaining distance is equal to 6 meter. Okay, this is our A point and this is our B point. Now again draw second figure. Okay, at that time our second load is equal to 15 kilonewton and this distance is 4 meter and given distance is equal to 2 meter. Now here for this case my load W is equal to 10 kilonewton and A is equal to this distance 2 meter. Okay, right here, and B is equal to this distance. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, right here 4 meter. Okay, this is our 4 meter, and L is given 6 meter. For this case right here load W is equal to 15 kilonewton and A is equal to our distance 4 meter and B is equal to distance 2 meter, and span of L, total distance, is equal to 6 meter. Now one by one, first we find out moment at A, that is equal to, first moment is equal to W AB square L square minus W AB square by L square. Okay, now suppose here I give number of load, that is W1 and that is our W2. Okay, for our calculation this is our W1. There is no need to give notation if you remember, but now just I am giving this notation for your simplicity. Okay, now what is W1? W1 is equal to 10, right here 10, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 square and L is equal to 6 square, minus second W2 is equal to 15 and distance A is equal to 4 meter and B is equal to 2 square, divide by 6 square. Now my answer MA is equal to minus 15.55 kilonewton into meter. Okay, first moment at A of fix and support we get. Now second we find out moment at B. Simply write here moment at B is equal to minus W A square B by L square minus W A square B by L square. Now what is W? Minus W for first case is equal to 10. 10 into A is equal to 2 square and B is equal to 4 meter. Now what is L? L is equal to 6 square minus W, again this is W1 and this is our W2. Now what is W2? W2 is equal to 15 and 2 means A square means our 4 square and B is equal to 2, divide by 6 square. Now my answer of moment at B is equal to minus 17.77 kilonewton into meter. Okay, here we get two moment MA and MB. Now next, again here we get two moment equation, values of two moment. First moment is our MA and second moment is our MB. First of all, we mention here what is MA and MB. MA is equal to minus 15.55 kilonewton into meter and MB is equal to minus 17.77 kilonewton into meter. Now MA is negative moment, so mention here is this moment is anti-clockwise 15.55 and this moment B again right hand side negative, that means clockwise. Okay, now we find out support reaction for given beam. So mention here taking moment about A. Okay, right here taking moment about A. Now we find out fix and support reaction. Taking moment about A means anti-clockwise moment with respect to clockwise. Suppose our support B, RB, rotate anti-clockwise with respect to A point. So write down here RB into distance 6 meter about A. Then this is our anti-clockwise moment. Write down on left hand side 15.55 equal to this load is rotate clockwise 10 into 2. Write on right side plus 15.4. Write down here 15 into 4 and this moment is again clockwise. Write down 17.77. Okay, after simplification we get RB is equal to 13.703 kilonewton in up direction. Now second we find out support reaction at RA. So mention here RA is equal to our total vertical load. Okay, RA is equal to total vertical load minus RB. Now what is total vertical load? 10 and plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 minus 13.703 is equal to 11.3 kilonewton. This is also in up direction. Now first of all we draw the SF diagram, then we draw the BM diagram. Okay, here we get this is our RA. RA is equal to 11.3 and this is our RB. Value of this RB is equal to 13.703. Now one by one, first of all 11.3, make a point here 11.3. Now left hand side upward 11.3, then go constant here. Okay, from this point after 11.3 we minus this 10. Okay, minus 11. Minus 10. Okay, just to go down here, go here. Okay, minus 10, that means here our answer is 1.3. one by one. Okay, take care. Left hand side upward 11.3, then this is our diagram of point load, so in form of box. Again constant here C point, at C point downward load is given 10 minus 11.3 minus 10, our answer is 1.3. Then again constant at point D and it's write down here this is the point of 1.3. At that point 15 load given downward again minus 1.3 minus 15. The answer is again go down here. Okay, and my answer is equal to 13.707. Okay, minus 13.703. Okay, this is plus A point, then B point, C point and D point. This diagram is my SF diagram. Now find out bending moment. Okay, here we find out two bending moment at MA and MB, but the point C and point D moment are left. So first of all we find out, write down here moment at C. Now it is easy to find out moment at C from left hand side. Okay, so moment at C from left hand side, this moment is given anti-clockwise, so take minus because it is left hand side clockwise, anti-clockwise, sorry, 15.55 anti-clockwise. and this support reaction is rotate clockwise. 11.3 into 2, and this is again left hand side clockwise, means plus 11.3 into 2, and my answer MC is equal to 7.05 plus. Okay, this answer is plus. Next we find out MD. It is easy to take a moment from right hand side. Okay, and from right hand side this moment is given clockwise, right hand side clockwise minus. You compulsorily learn the sign convention of moment, because if you not learn the sign convention of moment, then it is very tough to calculate this type of example. Okay, now RB left right hand side anti-clockwise positive. Okay, right here, and moment of point load is equal to load into distance. 13.703 into 2, and my answer of this moment at D is equal to 9.63 kilonewton into meter. Now first of all mark the point. This is A point, this is B point, and this point is our C, and this point is D. Now this is the first point of MA is equal to 15.55. okay, and this point is 17.77. These 2 points are at positive, so mention here this point is 7.05 and this point is 9.63. now simply connect this point, because here this diagram is in minus. Okay, and this load is like this way, and from this inclined, okay, just like this way, and again this load is our point load, so diagram is made in form of incline. Okay, now this is minus, okay, this is plus, and this is again minus, and this diagram is my BMD diagram. You have to use scale for that. Okay, just now my line is zigzag, you draw correctly. Okay, here our example of fixed beam subjective to point load are complete. Now next, here we cover one theory. In this theory, settlement. What is settlement? Okay, now in next session we solve the example of settlement, but before solving this example we have to understand what is settlement and why this occur in building, why this occur in structure. Here I take a 3 figure. This is the first figure, second figure, third figure. We can see that in first figure this first floor is settled down. In second figure this cantilever beam is settled down, and again here the beam column joint is collapsed, because reason is that if our support is settled down due to any condition like earthquake, or we can say that moisture content, shrinkage, there are so many problems for settlement. If our construction of footing is not properly, okay, in that condition our support settled down, and because of this our building will be collapsed, like our building will be a failure like this way. So first of all, in example of this fixed beam, we find out what is the moment of this settlement of support in fixed beam, and we prevent this after finding these values, we prevent this settlement of support. Okay, now next session we solve the example of settlement. Just now we stop here.